My HydraScreen Hydrating Serum is an advanced technology hybrid anti-aging serum that hydrates, nourishes, moisturizes, and protects. Formulated with Hyaluronic Filling Spheres, a dehydrated form of hyaluronic acid that swells with moisture when applied, providing intense moisturization and volume, improves the look of deeper lines and wrinkles, firmness and elasticity. Retinol molecular film fluid, a very thin film containing stabilized retinol, which is vitamin A, and vitamin E to enhance delivery and absorption into the skin while minimizing transepidermal water loss. Bakuchiol, a natural antioxidant and skin restoring ingredient that is gentler than retinol and helps soothe and smooth skin, boost collagen production, minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and improve skin texture and even skin tone. And ceramide P, a naturally occurring chain of lipids, which are fats, key components of the skin's outer layers that supports the skin's natural protective layer and forms an effective barrier against moisture loss. This silky serum will absorb quickly, leaving the skin soft and supple. Always use as the last step in your skincare routine. Please visit NassifMDskincare.com to learn more.